In this video, we will see how to do offline download in Yokogawa Centum VP DCS system. This is our engineering station. So click here, click on this one, system. In this menu, we can see the available field control stations. Here we have only one FCS. Number is 401. This 4 represents domain number and 01 represents station. Okay, click on this one. Actually, this is a test setup, so we have very limited number of modules. Click on here. Here we have one analog module, one digital module, and one power supply unit. Close. And one CPU. Okay, this is our test setup. So now go to system view. This is our software for engineering in Centum VP DCS. So this is our project name. My project is a project name. Expand this. This is our project files. This FCS 401. Here we have only one FCS, which is 401. HIS is workstation. Okay. So before going to do offline download, it is always recommended to save the PID controller tuning parameters. Okay. So go to load menu and click save FCS tuning parameters. Click here and click OK. So this will save all the PID controllers tuning parameters, proportional, integral, derivative tuning parameters for each PID controller in the FCS 401 unit. Okay. You can see the status here. Tuning parameter started, and this is a timestamp, and you can see the status here. It will take some time depending upon your project. If you have many PID controllers, then it will take some time. Depends on your project size. Now tuning parameters saving is completed. There are no errors. Okay. Now we can do the offline download. Select the required FCS 401 and go to load and select this one, offline download to FCS. Click download. It will ask you, this is a confirmation pop-up. So click OK. Okay, it is asking regarding tuning parameters. So click no. We already done that. Now the offline download is started. Remember, during offline download, the CPU going to be stopped. It will not be in add to state. You can see the status here. See, now CPU is in off state. It is not in online because offline download requires the respective modules to be in off state. It's not going to be in add to state. Red indicates off state, green indicates on state, healthy state. It will again come to green color after completing the offline download. These are the various parameters of your CPU processor. CPU idle time, load, etc., etc. This is your model number of your CPU. We have different models, and this is one of the model. We have station number 1. We have only one FCS, right? This is our first one. If you have another FCS, then you have for FCS 0402, like that. You can see the status here, offline download status. This is your program size, database size. during offline download, as CPU is in off state, your plant must be in off state. Simple. It's not possible to control or monitor from this CPU, from this FCS during offline download. So in general, during plant shutdown activities only, we will do the offline download. Otherwise, we prefer online download only. In most cases, we will go for online download for day-to-day activities, for integration of any other loops, any other instruments, control valves, transmitters into the system. Online download will be enough. As this is a test setup, we don't have much programs in the FCS. And you will see the status here also, FCS 401 fail. This CPU is fail. Actually, it is not fail, it is an off state. Whenever the download is completed, again it will be up. You can see the update here. Whenever the download is completed, see, offline download is completed. This is the timestamp. So I'm closing this one. Again, we have FCS 401 is up. Now everything is in green color. Everything is up, up, up. CPU is also up, and you can see the status here. See, remember, offline download will only perform if it is compulsorily required. Otherwise, we are not going to perform offline download, as it will disturb the production. Okay, I will meet you in the next session.